Malacanang Defense First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos's participation at a book launching and musical event in the wake of Typhoon Tino's onslaught. The First Lady received criticism for allegedly being tone-deaf to the country's situation and pushing through with the events while towns and cities were submerged in floodwaters. In a briefing on Tuesday, November 11, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says the First Lady did not attend the event for her self-interest. The palace official also seemingly takes a jab at Vice President Sara Duterte, who dressed as Snow White for a Halloween event.
Ang isang event na to, yung mga events na dinaluhan po ng unang ginang ay hindi po isang parting pansarili lamang. Hindi po ito pagdalo, pagpunta sa isang resort para mag-swimming. Hindi po ito susuot ng mga costume katulad ng Snow White para mag-party-party. Ito po ay pagkilala mismo sa kapwa nating Pilipino. Habang ang Pangulo naman po at ibang mga cabinet secretaries ay tumutugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan.
Araneta Marcos attended the book launch of Philippine First Ladies Portraits and a Goldenberg concert series musical event. Both were held in Malacanang on November 6 and 7. In further defending Araneta Marcos' actions, Castro notes that these activities recognize the previous First Ladies of the country and promote Filipino talent.
Pag sinabi po natin book launching, dapat malaman natin ano ba nilalaman ng libro na to. Ito po ay pag-angat, pagkilala, pagpupunyagi sa mga nakaraang First Ladies ng bansa. Ito ay pagkilala sa mga angking talino, kagalingan, naiambag ng mga kapwa nating Pilipino. Kanya-kanya pong responsibilidad, kanya-kanya pong obligasyon. Kaya po, hindi po dapat mabigyan ng kritisismo kung anuman po ang ginagawa ng unang ginang sa pagtaas at pag-angat sa mga angking talino ng ating mga kababayan.
Typhoon Tino brought strong winds and heavy rains in Visayas and other parts of the country, leaving at least 232 people dead as of Tuesday.